them stay Sabama keep new fools. Power, they must get a little stadium, a little small stadium. Me don't know who member. Yeah, man, they get a little small stadium and keep new fools. You see me? And brother, the place empty of fuck.
A few moments later.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
And a shoot and a score. Going for the foods for the tennis chef.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them?
You don't know Media Fox is already, you know. Yeah, man, you know everything set. So people, you know Masicka official, you know what I'm saying? Official vlogger. This is a vlogger where they're everywhere with him. Up in yard, pan tour, everything. Him cousin. See? Yeah, man, foolish youth. Yeah, man, run out. Yeah, I crash out through Alkaline solo at Barclays Center. And female artists can't do it. A bag of excuses. My mad out. But people, una fi hear what I say. You understand?
Them can go on that, you see me? And them do promotion, right? So, for George couple thousand people at a show, you understand? It don't mean say you run the dance hall or you still up on top of dance hall. It's a realist. Promise 140 views for go 40 million YouTube. But look, arena, or them keep them on a show, or not like that. That doesn't equate to you running dance hall. Any artist from you have a legacy, you have an active fan base, and good promotion do, you can pull your crowd. I say go.
So, foolish youth. So, the bag of hyping up with Masicka of this bag of hit song and all of them something there. How him can't do it then? Oh, we not see me in an arena. For the man, when I say I drop a bag of hits, Masicka in the game for years now, brother. About 11 years now, or 12. See? And I know we can't see him do a big move. I pull some big crowds, some big numbers. Eh? When I say him I drop hits, pantapa hits, and hits yes and hits yes. But is those hits really showing any results? Is the huge crowd coming out to see him with all these hits? I remember when Alkaline just forward in the game. Alkaline did that tear down the place with shows. You understand? And remember, say, Alkaline are on the media like your artist. And remember this. The Barclays show is Alkaline show. Alkaline new rules. Him alone up on the flyer. Right? So, all of the people that come, have to see him perform. Remember that. Can Masicka do that? The man want to see a drop a bag of hits. But listen what I say, people.
Because remember, so them people our father just hear the old song them. A simple, not a big deal about that. The people them forward, go listen to the old song them. Right? But it doesn't equate to running dance hall. Because when you go up on that the stage, I'll be an old song I will sing.
So we are there. Boy. Brother, may I ask you a question? So, how comes Masicka get some new hit song and still can pull what Alkaline pull? People, that make no sense. An artist are going to sing be a old song and a pull so much crowd. Or the artist we are sing be a new song where everybody supposed to know and him still can pull a crowd. Eh? Something wrong there, so people. Eh? It show you say this song we not call it is not it, is because Alkaline sang them are it. That's why people are come listen all new whatsoever. Because me know Alkaline never sing recent songs. Like songs were like 2 years ago or 3 years ago. You understand? So me don't know what you are talking about. Boy, so funny you talk about say people are come listen old song. So wait. You look at the people them remember Masicka old song then a new song them. Oh, John, no youth.
This is two little song them from the past 2 years or 3 years. We're gonna make it here set. Because all of them hits them up be an old song. I swear. So when them stay sabam and them want hide behind shows or arena and them something there, it doesn't mean them a run dancehall or them a dominate dancehall or nothing like that. Brother, year in, year out, a Masicka find it's them. Every year in, year out. Bro,
Brother, me not understand. Year in, year out, Masicka find it eats them, but what the eats them a do for him? Masicka boss like in the business, in the game, the dancehall space, 2 years after Alkaline. 2 years. Why Masicka cannot reach a level with Alkaline there? Why Alkaline? Remember, just 2 years apart. Right? Why Masicka in the arena headline him show? Or headline a show? Why? Come on, man. Why? Eh? If you say my job bagger it's the amount of hits when you say the man have and it's just still not showing a result of that. I just that people.
my time them it come like a blasphemy, brother, to compare Masicka with them fool, brother. Me I tell you the truth. Because the work Masicka put in, they ain't doing shit. He just gives Reggae Fest have them own crowd. Yeah, brother. You know what, brother? CJ Milan, she good for her promotion. You understand? So Reggae Fest, as I just can say, Reggae Fest I go on before Blinds, I go on before Foggy. You understand? Reggae Fest always successful. So in the Reggae Fest alone pull people. You get what I say? He pull dancehall lovers. Right? So when them stay a bomb and go on Reggae Fest and they probably get a turnout, you hear them come out on the internet. Oh, see it? You might run dancehall, him this, him that. No, bro.
Foolish youth. You sound bad, man. And what you have to say? Because remember this. Down the line, if Masicka put in that work, him can headline the Barclays show. You understand? What you have to say? Alright, them a do them thing. But the way you sound, youth, you're bad mind, dog. You're bad mind because of a Masicka I sell out the show. Because Reggae Fest cannot keep without an artist. You understand? It's a festival. It's a thing where dancehall artists are go forward or reggae artists. You see what I'm trying to say? It cannot do without an artist or whatever artist put on the flyer. Who for fans them a go forward out. You understand? Is who the show book at them the people them a go come see. So what you say I'm madness, bro. I'm madness. And since you go say that, remember, say Masicka been doing Sands, all of these events we have them own a crowd. So what you're going to say? Masicka is not pulling some of those people? That you try to say? First of all, you will see other shows that said Reggae Fest, but this one is very different. This say Reggae Fest and New Rules. CJ Milan will tell you it's Alkaline show. CJ Milan have the contract for the center, the Barclays Center. Yeah. So it's a partnership. But if you check it, it's New Rules. Alkaline show. Get that in your head, brother. So when you go pre-sell Reggae Fest, it's 2 promoters. You see it? Remember that.
No. Not like that. You understand? It's make you run dancehall. It's a consistency. Make you run dancehall. That will never change. The artist will find, we can't find us. It's in 5 years. Cannot run dancehall. Big woman thing. I swear, impossible. No time at all. You get me? It's make you run dancehall. I swear. And let's talk about its people. Let's talk about its. Anyway, American Reggae Fest go, it will sell out. Exactly Reggae Fest have its name. You think them just in a real life, brother. And just kidding, it makes sense. Cause better let you just kidding. If we don't see CJ Milan and them they keep New Fools in a Barclays without CJ Milan endorsement and without a Reggae Fest endorsement, just a New Fools in a Rasclad replace name Barclays, that would have flop.
People, you see when you're crashing out over somebody's success, you chat a bag of shit. May I tell you that, people? This man see New Rules, right? You see New Rules / Reggae Fest. And I go say, if Reggae Fest never did it wouldn't. Wait there. So when the people them post up them video and say going to Alkaline concert, did they ever say Reggae Fest or is Alkaline? I don't understand. The people them say them a go see Reggae Fest or them a go see Alkaline. People, I don't understand that. Because these crooks in their feelings, because let me tell you people, Masicka been dropping hits according to what they say. Right? In 2026, Masicka's drop his first song. And they can't find it. And they're in their feelings, right? And someone came out and said they write Masicka song and they took off 4 of his songs. Even one of his big songs, Whites, off YouTube. So you know they're in their feelings, right? Because they can't find no more hits because the Gaza fans is not supporting them anymore. So look what they're trying to do now. They're trying to say, selling out arenas is not running dancehall. Because why? The year started and we're gone 3 months now and I know their artists cannot find a hit. The so-called hit maker. True, because the arena talk is making and selling out big shows with big numbers. They are in their feelings. Because Masicka go to Cayman the other day and no one talks about the show. And true, them get up every day and hear people talking about Alkaline and Barclays Center. Them in them feelings. But I saw it go, you just go and put in the work on your artists. You must reach that level one day.
That would have flopped. I remember last time, them states Obama keep new fools. They must get a little stadium, a little small stadium. I don't know who remember. Yeah, man, they get a little small stadium and keep new fools. You see me? And brother, the place empty of fuck.
People, since him I go say that, because we know that show that keep in Mount Vernon in New York, a lot of things go on with that show, and that show was a successful turnout. That's why I show the video. You understand? But this show is Masicka in Montego Bay, people. Jamaica, in yard. Montego Bay. But they don't show these things, right? This is in Montego Bay. This was in 2024. This was the same artist where them said the hottest artist and him a drop the hits. So you're telling me, people, this is after a year after he signed his international deal, label deal, Def Jam. Right? I want you to look at this show and look at the crowd that came out to see the hottest artist at the moment. The man that signed the big deal. This is Masicka. Look out, people.
On a shoot and a score. Run for the food for the tennis chef. What are you talking about? Hold on. Better be that up. Look, if you don't know fast.
People, do you think an artist level like Alkaline would be on a poster and this amount of crowd come out to see Alkaline? Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so, people. So this was in 2024. You say your artist dropping a bag of hits. I have to make the people see what I go on, you know. Seeing? You say your artist a drop a bag of hits. And this was 2024, people. After international deal. And you're telling me this amount of people turn out? Eh? Look on the screen, people. Look there, look on the screen. Over the fence, the first fence. Empty. About 10 people there. Look front row of the stage. When I say an artist big and run dancehall, bro. And look on the crowd. This show keep even you can dip on the show. And at this people for the office Masicka. Eh? People, just look what I want, because this is so shameful.
Run for the food for the tennis chef. What are you talking about? Hold on. Better be that up. Look, if you don't know fast.
The people not even singing, bro. Top Farm. The people ain't singing. Top Farm song, I think a way before him start to get that little attention there. And the people ain't singing, bro. The artist not ready yet. He need to put in more work. All we did a go on a bag of hyping up and like a hype up a hot songs. Him not really getting a hit song, bro. You understand? Listen again, people. Look there, people. Do all over there so you can play a World Cup. You understand? Round of 16. Quarter-final, semi-final, finals, they can play over there so Bro, not even know people, not even know the VIP over there, so. Bro, your artist not ready yet, dog. You not ready yet, fam. Alkaline could have dip on a flyer and the place looks so skanky. You're mad, brother. You're sick in your head, bro. You see me? But listen, people.
You remember that you're skinny?
People, it's very shameful. You understand? We don't know media facts of a beat and teach. But here we must say.
The place empty of fuck. And it's like a small stadium, brother. Probably it's a venue of 7,000. You understand? And in there was so empty.
People, this him say empty. People, what the first show I show you a while ago with Masicka. I guess him need to borrow some of them people here and put in a film show to make it look good.
Right? So
People, while when them youth attack, you have to just shake your head. You understand? You see in a dancehall, you see the bag of hyping up and the hit song and the this and with them so-called. You see out there in the world, it's a different thing. And this show, if you did go this show, a lot of people did even get to came in the show. You understand? Like, to pull crowd for this so Alkaline do you saw in a Mount Vernon, trust me, that is a great pull. In a Mount Vernon, them place there, that is not a normal place to get people to forward to. And Alkaline did it. You understand? I'm not sure enough Masicka ever did that. You see me? So, them man ya, you know them feelings because them artists in an arena. You understand? Yes. Either them have to get book on the side, yeah, with a big artist sideline it, yeah. Or our next artist call him up on stage. You see me? But people, this is what I say.
as we dance say, Reggae Fest have a name. And dancehall fans, you don't know them are go there. Once a Reggae Fest, I swear it go. Just in case they put Elephant Man and it's it. They put Elephant Man and it sell out. Remember, see there? Elephant Man. So we ever say Elephant Man around dancehall? We ever say Elephant Man around dancehall? Tell me the truth, people. Who really ever say Elephant Man around dancehall?
You sure it's Elephant Man alone? You sure of that? I don't understand what you're trying to say, brother.
But what? Elephant Man have a catalog. Elephant Man, a rascal legend in the dancehall. You understand? And him have him legacy. Plus the Reggae Fest banner behind that. Crowd are forward out.
Bro, remember it's Alkaline show. New rules. Remember that, fam. This is not no Reggae Fest bookings. It is new rules. Remember, it's a partnership.
So we know what them I be on the show and try to make look as them do the dancehall. They ain't doing shit until them artists can find that it's a Mount Vernon. Yeah man, the Mount Vernon show. Flap your fuck. Flap. You see what I say? Big woman thing.
So wait there. So I'm too sure Masicka do a Masicka mobile where people them just say a while ago. That not flap. People them not even sing. Eh? In a 2024 when you say an artist that hot and them drop a bag of hits. Eh? And them the people that fought for turnout. Less than 200 people. You're sick in the head, dog.
I swear. But here I say no people. What I'm talking about, all I don't show them sell out. Exactly, brother. Mr. I don't they're all over the place. Under the banner Reggae Fest, some people are come out. You understand? But I say on my side. In a real life. Blinds. What Blinds really do in the dancehall now on my side? What is Blinds really doing in dancehall right now?
But what Masicka doing a dancehall right now? What him do? Drop a little one song and just gone back in the shell? Eh? And do one little backyard show came on. What Masicka do? Cynthia talk about Alkaline. What Masicka doing in the dancehall right now? Eh? What Masicka doing? That me want to know. You see me? Because Alkaline have a lot of show coming up. The man just sell out Barclays Center, so what you mean? That is a representation of dancehall. People are come listen to dancehall music, which he have. Where Masicka do? Tell me what Masicka do now. Since you go say what Alkaline do.
Where are the hit songs? Where are the hit songs for Blinds in dancehall? Why him name still a conversation? Why them still bring up when they come back to Masicka? A time for people put some respect for Masicka name. Bro, it's wrong for them to be comparing Blinds with Masicka in 2026. Blinds need to put in some work.
Yo, I'm going to tell you this, people. You see Masicka vlogger and him some of him fans them delusion on your F. Me I tell you people. This a man I call out Alkaline about hits and this that. And 2026, I'll know film artists can't forward out to that hit song. Imagine. You are call out Alkaline, but your artist is not doing nothing different. Alkaline about to drop an album. When your artist are going to drop an album, because of from 2024 and he can't reach. What Masicka do now? Cause the hype and the strength gone now, you know. You understand? It gone right now. See it? So, what Masicka do for dancehall? Alkaline Barkley show forward Saturday. What Masicka show there? Imagine, you call out a next man about something and your artist not doing it.
If you go find some hit songs, Masicka go to hit song for hits and never join a brain. Let me ask you some people. When are the last time? You see what I say? Bro, what's going on with mute? With white and mute, bro? Whites and mute? Big woman thing.
You figure, yo. Yes, man. Whites and mute. It look like the people them not put up back the song, people. If 4 song them will take down, I must see the 2 them put up, but you look at the whites and mute not go up back yet. Yes, man. We do know. You better lucky. You see me? That me I tell you now. Now worry about hits. You think dancehall is all about dropping hits all the time? Alkaline don't set him career already and have him big catalog and all of these things there. I tell you, if you go tell your artist go do that right now, that me I tell you. Yeah? So you can go on there. Alkaline ahead of him time right now. You see it? He would sold out UK Wembley the O2 hour. I think kind of Wembley Arena in a UK. Sold it out. Now the youth are come to Barclays Center. What kind of level is your artist do? What am I do? I mean I game for much years now, past a decade. What we can say, Madout? Alkaline have him fans, just stay there. Why worry about Alkaline and hits, yeah? For the time I run out at that, me remember say Gaza fan not we do no we know. Remember say this had to be the first year. The Gaza fans now go no strength, you know. Remember this. So you can go and talk at that, me I tell you. And you talk about hits. Remember say your artist drop EP December, you know. Oh, you not talk about that. What to the EP? What the artist drop? We not talk about that. When you get no hit song, what I hit? Since you not talk about drop it, can I realize you see song them when drop and it flop, we not talk about it. And that with uno no one own nothing we flop. That with uno no one always it's. No come like Sean Sam it's splash. Cause when not talk about it, the world not see it. Come like it now pass man near Sangsas International Airport. Because the same it's when I talk about there, yeah, just sit down pan the corner and bun a spliff. But when him go out there in the world for go sing these so-called hit songs, the crowd don't know where I say. Them I wonder if he's a underdog artist. You see me? But people, when you don't know media facts, do you think, you know, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man. I want media facts, man. That is it.